Hi everyone, I want to talk a little bit about how to exercise safely during this pandemic. Our bodies are built to move, and exercise is one of the things that we can do to try and stay healthy. Exercise supports all of our body system. That includes our bones, our muscles, our lungs, our heart, our immune system, and our brain. But if we get injured, then we're not going to be able to exercise. We also want to avoid injury because we don't want to end up in the ER. Of course, if you are experiencing a medical emergency, please do dial 911. There are two ways that we can injure ourselves primarily. One is through some type of accident, like a fall or a bad landing, and the other is through overuse or overdoing it. To avoid accidents, you want to focus on exercise that your body is comfortable and familiar with doing. That's going to vary from person to person. For instance, if you're a professional acrobat, you may be safe and comfortable doing activities that most people would not be safe doing. On the other end of things, if you're someone with a lot of balance problems, something as simple as walking on an unfamiliar and uneven surface may be a risky activity for you. The key to this is to self-assess and to understand what your body is capable of, and then find a way to exercise that's safe for you. It's also important to make sure that any equipment that you're using is safely installed and correctly assembled. To avoid overuse, you really need to listen to your body. So if while you're exercising you feel pain that is greater than a 3 on a 0 to 10 scale, that may be an indicator that you're overstressing some tissue in your body. In that case, you may need to modify your exercise or do other exercises to help you prepare for the activity that you want to do. This is where talking with a physical therapist can be really helpful. It is normal to have muscle soreness when you are doing a new type of exercise or something more intense. Usually that'll come on 1 or 2 days after the exercise and last for a couple of days as well. If you feel dizzy, nauseous, or lightheaded while you're exercising, that's a sign that your brain and your gut aren't getting enough nutrition. To prevent this, you want to make sure that you're eating and drinking well and take breaks when you need them. Remember that exercise is about feeling good in your body. These are really stressful times, and it's normal that your performance may be altered from what it was a couple of months ago. That's totally fine. There's no specific level that you need to be at right now. The important thing is to keep moving in a way that makes your body feel good. If you are exercising outdoors, make sure that you're keeping a safe distance from others. Stay safe, stay healthy, take it easy.